Hi, I'm Natalie with Eminence and I'm back for another mixology. Who out there loves strawberries? And who loves chocolate? What a better mix than chocolate and strawberries to be placed together. Not only are they delicious to eat, but just think about how wonderful the experience is going to be on your skin. And so why on earth would we want to put chocolate or strawberries on our skin is that we have the great value of strawberries, high levels of vitamin C, and they're also nature's toothbrush, believe it or not. So they're really a great fruit for brightening and also for making sure there's good antioxidants into the skin as well. Then we have chocolate. Well, I don't probably need to tell any of you how amazing chocolate is, but really it's a very powerful antioxidant and it's very high in what they call bioflavonoids, which are specialized antioxidants that mean sustain life. So bioflavonoids are wonderful support system for an antioxidant as well. So we're going to blend these two together to give you the ultimate hydration and smoothing of your skin. So this is going to really help minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it's also going to give you a plumped and refreshed finish. So they'll smell amazing and your finish will be gorgeous. So it doesn't matter, pick which one ever you prefer. I'm going to go strawberries first, a little bit into the palm of your hand, and then boom comes the chocolate. Just like that. Now, the chocolate's going to be more like a brownie batter mix, I guess is probably the closest. And the strawberry is more creamy, so like a souffle type of finish. So what I do recommend is because the chocolate is a little bit more dense than the strawberry, just pick them up with your spatula and press them together. So this is actually how you can use your spatula to your advantage at home on the back side. So you have the scooper side and then you have the smooth side. So you just pick it up and press it together. Pick it up and press it together. And this is the easiest way for you to mix your products together at home as well. So then you have it all nice, neat, and tidy on your spatula. From here, just press back into the hand, and then you want to do your application. So just a good mix over. Now it will dry a little bit, which is totally fine. If you are a dry skin type though, you want to really try to keep this moist. So that's when you can add a little bit of water to it, and that'll keep the mask from drying out completely on the skin. If you're oilier though, if you let it dry, it's going to actually help dry out more oil from the skin. So this is going to be beneficial whether you're dry or whether you're oily. So I hope you enjoyed this gorgeous mix with strawberries and chocolates today. I'm Natalie with Eminence, and if you want to see more of our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you next time for another mixology.